I got kidney stones and gallstones both. The gallstones are probably from eating greasy food like that fried chicken and stuff. I want to get rid of them. The kidney stones, they're in there too. I've been taking this lemon, real lemon from Walmart. I've been drinking 12 ounces a day and it seems like it's helping. It's supposed to break the stones down. This other stuff in that little tube I got, it's called Stonebreaker. I don't even know if it worked or not. And the doctor has me on a pill to break the stones too. That little cup with the blue top is from the urologist. It's one of those urine specimen cups. But I put 4 ounces of lemon in there to a cup of it comes out in the 12 ounces, 4 times 3, yeah, 12 ounces. So it'd be 8 ounces of water to 4 ounces of the real lemon. I drink that 3 times a day. I really think it's breaking them up. I want my stones gone. Completely. It's horrible to have kidney stones. They poke in your back wanting out. The gallstones, I went to one doctor and all he wanted to do was get the insurance money, maybe $15,000 to take out the gallstones. That's crazy. Or he wanted to take the whole gallbladder. The gallbladder never grows back. When it's gone, it's gone. I want to break them up. I don't want no surgery. When I had kidney stones before, they gave me surgery, and the stupid doctor took one out and not the other. And they called 3 weeks later wanting to know if I wanted the other one out. It's just to get the insurance money. It's crazy. When you get the kidney stones taken out, it feels like you've been kicked by a horse in the stomach for like 10 days. And I pissed blood for probably 7 days. It was really horrible. I'd never want to go through that again. I hope this home remedy really works with the lemon. It's pure 100% lemon. I'm drinking 12 ounces a day.